Welcome to Flavor Street. Join us as we explore unique flavors and street food recipes from around the world. Subscribe and enjoy the journey. Falukorv, Swedish sausage, served in a bun with mustard and ketchup. Falukorv is a classic Swedish street food, a simple yet delicious sausage sandwich made with falukorv, a traditional Swedish sausage, served in a bun with toppings. Here's what you'll need to make it at home. Ingredients for falukorv: 1 serving. Main components: 1 falukorv sausage, available in Swedish stores or online. Substitute with bologna or thick hot dogs if unavailable. 1 hot dog bun or a soft white roll, franska or tunnbröd for a more Swedish touch. Classic toppings: mustard, senap, Swedish yellow mustard works best. Ketchup. Pickled cucumber slices, pressgurka, or relish. Fried onions, stekta lök, for crunch, optional. Shrimp salad, räksalad, sometimes added for extra flavor, optional. How to prepare falukorv. Cook the falukorv. Slice the falukorv into thick pieces, or split it lengthwise for a larger sandwich. Pan fry in butter or grill until slightly crispy on the edges. Toast the bun, optional. Lightly warm or toast the bun for extra texture. Assemble the sandwich. Place the cooked falukorv in the bun. Add mustard and ketchup. Top with pickles, fried onions, or shrimp salad if desired. Pannbiff, Swedish-style hamburger, often served with lingonberry sauce. Pannbiff is a classic Swedish dish similar to a hamburger patty but with a distinct Swedish twist. It's a simple, hearty meal often served with mashed potatoes, lingonberry jam, and brown sauce, brunsses. Here's how to make authentic Swedish pannbiff. Ingredients for pannbiff: 4 servings. For the patties: 500 g ground beef, preferably a mix of beef and pork for extra flavor. 1 small onion, finely chopped or grated. 2 to 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs, or soaked in milk for a softer texture. 1 egg, to bind the mixture. 2 tablespoons milk or cream for richness. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon allspice, curd pepper, optional but traditional. Butter or oil, for frying. For serving, classic Swedish style. Creamy mashed potatoes, potatismos. Lingonberry jam, lingonsylt. Brown sauce, brunsses, see recipe below. Pickled cucumbers, pressgurka. How to make pannbiff. Prepare the patties. In a bowl, mix ground meat, onion, breadcrumbs, egg, milk, salt, pepper, and allspice. Gently combine, don't overmix, or the patties will be tough. Shape into 4 to 6 round, flat patties, about 1.5 centimeters thick. Fry the pannbiff. Heat butter or oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. Remove and keep warm. Make the brown sauce, brunsses. Optional but highly recommended. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon flour, stirring to make a roux. Gradually whisk in 2 cups beef broth, or water plus bouillon. Simmer until thickened, then add a splash of cream or soy sauce for extra flavor. Serve. Place pannbiff on a plate with mashed potatoes. Drizzle with brown sauce and add a dollop of lingonberry jam. Serve with pickled cucumbers on the side. Kebabrulle, kebab meat wrapped in flatbread with fries and sauce. Kebabrulle, kebab roll, is a wildly popular Swedish street food that combines juicy kebab meat, crispy fries, and fresh veggies, all wrapped in a soft flatbread. It's the ultimate drunk food or quick meal. Here's how to make an authentic Swedish-style kebabrulle at home. Ingredients for kebabrulle: 1 large roll. Main components: 1 large soft flatbread, tunnbröd, lavash, or tortilla. 150-200 g kebab meat, preferably lamb or chicken, thinly sliced. 1 handful of fries, freshly fried or oven baked. 1/4 cup shredded lettuce. 1/4 cup sliced tomatoes. 1/4 cup sliced cucumber. 1/4 cup sliced red onion, optional. Sauces, pick 1 to 2. Vitlaxas, garlic sauce, must have. Kilisas, hot sauce. Feferonisas, mild pepper sauce. Kebabsas, mix of mayo plus ketchup. Extras, optional. Pickled jalapenos. Grilled halloumi. Feta cheese. How to make kebabrulle. Prepare the fillings. Cook the kebab meat. If using pre-marinated kebab meat, fry in a pan with oil until crispy. No kebab meat? Substitute with gyros, shawarma, or even falafel for a veggie version. Make the fries. Fry or bake until crispy. Pro tip: use thin shoestring fries for best texture. Chop the veggies. Slice tomatoes, cucumber, and onions thinly. Warm the flatbread. Lightly heat the flatbread in a pan or microwave, 10 seconds, to make it pliable. Assemble the roll. Layer the ingredients in this order. Sauce: spread garlic sauce first. Lettuce acts as a barrier to prevent sogginess. Tomatoes, cucumber, onions. Kebab meat. Fries, the star of the show. Extra sauce: drizzle more garlic or chili sauce. Roll it tightly. Fold the sides inward, then roll from the bottom up. Wrap in foil or parchment paper to hold it together. Burgers: gourmet food trucks offering juicy beef, chicken, or veggie burgers. Burgers at home is easy. Here are the essential ingredients you'll need to prepare classic beef burgers. Basic burger ingredients. Ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat for juicy burgers, about 150-200 g per patty. Alternative: ground chicken, turkey, lamb, or plant-based patties for veggie burgers. Burger buns, soft brioche, sesame seed, or potato buns work best. Salt and black pepper, for seasoning the patties. Cheese, optional, cheddar, American, Swiss, or pepper jack for cheeseburgers. Cooking oil or butter, for grilling/frying, oil with high smoke point like canola or vegetable oil. Optional toppings and condiments. Lettuce, iceberg, romaine, or butter lettuce. Tomato slices. Onions, raw, caramelized, or pickled. Pickles. Bacon. Ketchup, mustard, mayo, barbecue sauce, or special sauce. Jalapenos, avocado, mushrooms, etc., for extra flavor. Optional patty enhancements, for extra flavor. Worcestershire sauce. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Paprika or smoked paprika. Egg, to bind, if needed for lean meat. Breadcrumbs, if you prefer a firmer texture. How to make simple burgers. Mix and shape: gently mix ground beef with salt, pepper, and any extra seasonings. Form into patties, slightly larger than the bun, as they shrink. Cook, grill or pan fry over medium-high heat, 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare, longer for well done. Add cheese in the last minute if making cheeseburgers. Toast buns, lightly butter and toast the buns on the grill or pan. Assemble, add your favorite toppings and condiments, then enjoy. Tacos, Swedish-style soft tacos with unique toppings. Tacos at home is simple and customizable. Here are the essential ingredients for classic tacos, along with popular variations. Taco basic taco ingredients. Tortillas. Corn tortillas, traditional, gluten-free. Flour tortillas, softer, great for burrito-style tacos. Alternative, lettuce wraps, for low-carb. Protein, choose one or mix. Beef, seasoned ground beef, with taco seasoning. Chicken, shredded, slow-cooked or grilled. Pork, carnitas, braised and crispy, or al pastor, marinated. Fish/shrimp, battered or grilled, for Baja-style fish tacos. Vegetarian, black beans, refried beans, tofu, or jackfruit. Taco seasoning, homemade blend. Chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, oregano, cayenne, optional for heat. Toppings and salsa. Fresh veggies. Diced onions, white/red. Chopped cilantro. Shredded lettuce/cabbage. Sliced radishes. Avocado/guacamole. Jalapenos or serranos, for spice. Cheese. Crumbled cotija, authentic. Shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack. Sauces and salsa. Pico de gallo, fresh tomato salsa. Salsa verde, green tomatillo salsa. Hot sauce, e.g., Cholula, Tapatio. Crema or sour cream. Lime wedges, for squeezing.